Are you planning to become a data engineer, but confused about which cloud to start with? Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, or Google Cloud? Don't worry. In the next few minutes, I'll explain this in simple language with real-world examples so you can decide easily. Think of cloud platforms like big shopping malls. Amazon's has AWS, the largest and most popular mall. Microsoft has Azure, trusted by banks, hospitals, and big companies. Google has GCP, smaller but very modern and advanced in data and AI. All three malls sell almost the same items, but some are better at certain things. As a data engineer, your first job is storing data, like keeping clothes in a wardrobe. AWS uses S3. Azure uses data lake. Google uses cloud storage. All three are safe wardrobes, just with different names. Next comes moving and cleaning data. Imagine a conveyor belt in a factory. Raw material goes in one side, clean and sorted products come out the other. AWS has Glue. Azure has Data Factory. Google has Data Flow. They all do the same job, preparing data. Now the big question. Which cloud has more jobs? AWS has the biggest market share, so you'll find many job openings. Azure is growing very fast, especially in enterprises. Google Cloud is smaller, but popular in startups and AI companies. Learning-wise, all are beginner-friendly. If you know one, it's easier to switch to another later. So, which one should you choose? If you want maximum job options, start with AWS. If you want to work with big companies and enterprises, pick Azure. If you love analytics and AI, go for Google Cloud. But remember, the most important step is to start. Don't wait too long to decide. Pick one cloud, learn the basics, and grow from there. If this helped you, give it a like and subscribe to Data Copilot for more beginner-friendly data engineering guides. And tell me in the comments, which cloud are you starting with?